Sweetia. Today, welcome back to my channel. I forgot that. Today, I am gonna do a volcano experiment 2 times. One in the small volcano and one in this big bottle. So let's get started. First up is some baking soda. You can use how much ever you like, because I'm just gonna use a little, because we don't need too much power of the baking. It's your wish to take how much baking soda you like. Yeah. I think that's enough of baking soda. Don't forget to use some of this nice color. I think one was pinch of the... Aha! I'm done! Finally! It's time for some vinegar! And time for some fun part when it's time for vinegar. You're gonna love the surprise. Just add some vinegar to the small bottle. Whoa! Look at that thing go. I think I used too less baking soda. But let's get that out of the way so that we can do the other one. Here, I got the other one. So let's open the cap. Whoa! I think it's gonna fall off. What do? I think I should keep it on this. Still, it's okay, because it's just a fun game. Oh, what am I doing? First up is, as you know, baking soda. Ah! Whoa! Don't fall off, silly. Whoa. I think I'm gonna just take another spoon. Wait, where's my baking soda? I think, let's see. No, that will not do the trick. You can even tap on it to put it in the edge. So I'm not able to scoop it up. I'm just gonna put some on this. So I think that will be a little bit enough. So I'm gonna use small pinches. I'm gonna take it into my hand. I think this side will trick. Yep. That looks good to me. Whoa. Oh. So that it does not fall on this cloth, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna keep it here, and I'm gonna open my vinegar. I need to hold this here properly. I'm gonna put my vinegar. I'm scared it's gonna come on my hand. Oh my goodness! That was so fun. Now let me do it once again for you guys to see it. Whoa! Look at that thing go! If you didn't see it properly, I'm gonna do it the last time. Well, it's not erupting. Maybe if I put the whole bottle. Whoa! Look at that thing! Come out to mama! Look at that thing go! Guys, hope you enjoy the volcano experiment. I don't know why I'm laughing. So I hope you enjoy. And please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and spread it to the whole world. Bye for now.